In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new archive folder in Microsoft Outlook. We'll set up a dedicated Outlook data file, make it the place where archived emails are stored, and show you how to use it. This is a great way to keep your mailbox lean and improve Outlook performance without losing access to older messages. Start in Outlook and head to File, then Account Settings, and again Account Settings. In the window that opens, switch to the Data Files tab. This is where Outlook tracks where it stores your mail. Click Add to create a new data file. When prompted, choose Outlook Data File, also known as a .pst file. Give it a clear name like my archive.pst, pick a save location you'll remember, ideally on your local drive rather than a network or sync folder, and click OK to generate it. Outlook adds this new PST right away, and you'll see it appear in the folder pane as its own top-level folder. It's empty for now, and nothing has moved yet. You've simply created the container that will hold your archived items. Next, let's direct Outlook to use this file for archiving. Go to File, Options, Advanced, and open Autoarchive Settings. In the Autoarchive window, under Default Archive Settings, click Browse and select the PST you just created. Confirm with OK. This tells Outlook that when Autoarchive runs or when you manually archive old items should be moved into that new file. It doesn't rearrange your current mailbox, it just sets the destination for items that qualify as old based on your existing archive rules. Back in the main Outlook view, find the new archive in the folder pane. Right-click its top-level name to rename it to something friendly, or expand it to make sure it appears in your navigation list. Renaming here changes only the display name, not the file itself, so it's safe and helpful for clarity. When you want to archive on demand, select the items or the folder you want to tidy up. Then go to File, Info, Tools, Clean up old items, choose Archive, and point it to the new PST. You can target specific folders and include subfolders if needed. This is especially useful before hitting mailbox limits or when you want to move a project's older mail out of your active inbox. That's it. Thanks for watching.